Okay, so we are here in the place. Really beautiful. Let's see what is waiting. Where is the entrance? I don't know what this is. Someone lives here. But the view is absolutely amazing, and there is one beach here and another beach on the other side. That looks really nice. There are 8 apartments here. We're gonna be living on this one. This is what we have to renovate. What do you think we should do with this wall? I want to put some nice color and maybe a nice surface on it, but okay, this is our apartment. It's a toilet, bathroom. Yeah, we have to renovate it here as well. Our stuff. Kitchen. We just moved in, but as you see, yeah, we have to fix these. The crack here, there. I don't know, much resistance. This is our view. I think it's very much worth it. So this is the how it looks now. It's about 10 o'clock at night. This is the volcano Teide. There will be some smoke up here. The reason why I did like this because there are some places where so I thought I put the volcano there. And here, if you see, I tried already. I pressed some plants in it. So I want to put some kind of palm tree and this leaf, like a cactus up there. I put the sun above, and here I don't know what to do here, but here it was also a lot of cracks and across the wall as well, so I had to do something. Here I also tried to put the planting. I don't know, have to work on it a little bit. But I want to spray on with a colors spray. Goes down. The entrance. The bedroom. The surface was terrible. The quality of the wall is horrifying. I've got a, a bit messy job.